Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syawal Azim bin Muhammad Tabii. My metric number is 20133232, and today I will present about project, Microsoft project, and for subject CPM. This is a sample project that I will present for this individual video presentation. Okay. Uh, For the first one, we have to choose the options. We go to the schedule. Uh, okay, we choose the schedule, and we have to set up the week. Start on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And my project will start with Monday, and the start time for the project is 9 a.m. But I will change it to uh 8:50 a.m. and we will end at five at five. This one is 9. Sorry, this one is 9 and 5. So my project starts at 9 and end at 5 p.m. And hours per day is 8 hours. Hours per week is 40, and days per month is 20. Okay, that is my setup for the first before I start the Microsoft project. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, the first one. This is my project, and the basic for the for use Microsoft project is like this. Uh, if I have a project, this one is I will new project project and add a new project. I can add the task for I will add I can add tasks under the new project, uh I will name it a task A, task B, task B, and task C. Okay, okay. These three tasks I can make it under the new project. I can intend the task under the new project like this. Okay, so this task can I can hide and I can show. Okay, I can hide and I can show it uh and in this Microsoft project. Okay, so this is for example how to make it. So I will delete first. Okay, now I will show my example planning in Microsoft project that I make it before. Okay, this is my project, and it start with indentation. Under indentation, okay, this one is indentation, planning, and execution under my project. This the three tasks these three tasks under the Microsoft project. I will show okay, like this. I can hide the okay, this one. Okay, I can hide. So this tree is the main task for this project, and under So under the task, under the invitation have a task, and under the planning have a task, and under the execution have a task also. Okay. Okay, for the next is estimation. Estimation for this course, I just use a salary from a project manager, engineer one, engineer two, and stakeholder. This is how to make the this is how to make the mm, this is how to make the cost. We have to choose we have to add the column and choose the cost. Okay, this one. Okay, it will show the cost for this project. Okay, I will hide it back. Okay. Okay, for the date, we first we have to choose the duration for the task. First, invitation, I'll choose the 27. I choose the 27 days, and the proposal and project proposal is 14 days, and project approval 14 days. Planning 5 days. Under the planning, have a construction planning, detailed planning, and it's 1 day and 4 days. So next, uh, next is start. We have to choose the start for the project. Okay, the next is we have to start for this project. Like I try to use I just choose 4 May 2021, and my project is 190 days. I choose for this project, and it automatically it is automatically show the finish of this project. Okay. Okay, next one is critical parts. Okay, critical parts, we just choose the view, and we just go to the highlight, and choose uh, critical. Okay. Okay, in this project, we'll highlight the critical parts. Okay, for my project, it show at the execution at the 35 day. Okay, this one is a critical part for my project. Okay, next is instruction for number 5. Incorporate job deadline. Okay, for the job deadline, we just this is automatically shows the deadline for our project. Okay, this one is the deadline uh the task and project. Okay, for invitation, 27 uh 27 days, and project proposal is 14 days and end at the 24th May 2021, and the last is a closing at uh 19 May 2021. So this one for closing, and the last one we the last for this project this we show at this 25 1 the at 2022. That is the last for this project. Okay, next is create yearly start and yearly finish. So for the next, I will show the uh, early start and early finish, late start and late finish in schedule. This is simple. First one we have to add a new column, and we search for yearly search for alphabet E, early finish. Okay, this one is a early start. Okay, this is early start for this project. And the next one we just choose the yearly finish. Yearly, okay, this one is early finish. Okay, this one is a early start for this project. This one is a early finish for this project. Next, the late start and late finish. For the late start and the late finish, we just choose from this one. We have to hide first, because this one I don't want to use, so I hide the column. And we have to add the new column. So we have to late for the late we search for the alphabet. Where is L? Okay, this one. This is a late start. Okay, this is the late start for this project. And next we choose for the late finish. Okay, this is late finish. Late start. Sorry. Mm, right, late, late finish. So this is the late start, and this is the late finish for this project. We just choose from we just add a new column, and we choose the late and the start from this option. So it will show our late start and late finish, early start and early finish for this project, for this training uh, project in Microsoft project. Okay, for total select also the same, also the same method. We just add a new column. We just search for total select. Okay, this one. Okay, this one is total select. Okay, this is our total select this for this project. Okay, so this is our task and project. Okay, next. Okay, this one show the total select for this project at the first one is this one. The first one is invitation. The select is 162.25 days. uh the- and okay, this one show the total select for this project. Okay, for the next one is the in incorporate subcontractors, crew, equipment, labor, and skills traits in resource assignments. Is uh, uh, the method is you just click on the Gantt chart. Uh, so okay, we just click on the Gantt chart. Task Gantt. Okay, we should go to the task Gantt chart, and we choose the resource sheet. And this I already make a resource sheet for the employee, like project manager, stakeholder, engineer 1, engineer 2, and quantity surveyor. This is just an example for this project. Okay, and the next one is create a Gantt chart, network diagram, and trade calendar. Okay, for network diagram, this is my network diagram. Okay, this is example from my project. This is a network diagram. I will show the network diagram. Okay, this network diagram is show from the project the days that uh, we create, and this is the network diagram or the Gantt chart. So this is for total project. Okay, start at uh, April, and the finish for finish this project, uh, my estimate at in 10 January 2022. So this is the uh, network diagram for the task like invitation, planning, execution, project proposal, project approval. Okay, this one is for invitation. This one for the project proposal, and this one planning and execution. Okay, so for the 11 instruction is identify a conflict. Okay, uh, the conflict may have at the project is like during the structure work for the uh, project, like the conflict may have like heavy raining or bad weather, or sometimes conflict come from uh, like a problem for supplier. uh, the material from the supplier is delay, and uh, accidents or problem from the workers, and and that conflict will extend the project, and it will delay our project. Another example for conflict is like uh, broke machines, like we have a generator and the generator is not function or broke. We have to repair, and it takes to repair it, and sometimes we have to buy a new one, and we have to find the new, and that time the delay of the search for the uh, for sometimes we have a hard time to find a new like a generator or uh, equipment that we use at the project. So it may delay our project, and that's the example for the critical. Next is create a timeline. Okay, for the timeline, we just click. I choose the invitation. Just double click from this one, from the invitation, and choose the general, and click on the display on timeline. Okay, and then just click OK. Okay, it will show the invitations timeline, from this project. And next I will show the next example is mm, okay, I'll choose this integration. Click on the general, click on the display on timeline, and next click OK. Okay, like this one. I will show the integration timeline. Okay, this one is the integration timeline, and this one is the integration timeline. So that is the example for treat the timelines. Next is a baseline. Okay, so for baseline, we go to the project and we set the baseline and we set the baseline. Okay, we just tap the OK and we go to show bar style, baseline, and baseline last save. Okay, this one. You see the difference. Okay, the baseline is show at the bottom of the line, like this one. Mm, then baseline. Okay, already set the baseline. Okay, and the last one is tracking. Tracking is this one. Is our task is done. We we choose this invitation and we click on the complete. Okay, so the Gantt chart show the bar is done. You see the line at the middle of the bar. That one shows that the project is done. I showed another example at this one. Design. Okay, design is 50% done. Okay, so if a 50% done, it's contract. um, contract. Okay. If a 50% done, okay, this one 75. Okay. Another example is 75%. Okay, you can see the line at the bar is not complete. It's just 75% from the bar. If we choose 100%, we can see the full line at the middle of the bar. If the task is complete 25%, we just click at the 25% at the tools bar, and it will show 20% of the the task. Okay, is the last that is the last instruction from the question for this mini project. And now I will show my mini project for construction project management. Okay, this is um, okay this is my team mini project. So we from Pro Construction Sdn Berhad, we book a bungalow house at the uh, Kanga Perlis. So this is our Gantt chart. Okay, you can see this is contract, document review and revisions, bids and contract. So I will show the example for critical paths. Okay, so for this critical path is okay. No critical. Oh, this one, yes. Okay, so we want to see to highlight and go to critical and highlight, right? What is showing? Wait a minute. Hide and show the critical now. Okay, so this is the critical path for our mini project. Uh, so that one is the critical path. I think that's all from me. From my presentation. So thank you. That's all from me.
And that's all from me. Thank you.